How's it going? Yep, I'm just gonna move him a little ways away from the trail this way, just so he doesn't interfere with anybody or their dogs this morning. This one, being a younger sub-adult here, is really more, sometimes they get really green and a little bit less distinct on the patterning as they get older. This guy has some really clear kind of brown pattern there, and then just kind of like a beigeish with a little bit of a green tint. You can see he's calmed down a little bit.